Isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. My name is Dion Greg Reyes and welcome to the episode 3 of Adulting 101 Life Insurance for Filipinos Explained. I am with AA Philippines as a life insurance consultant and unit manager, and today ang pag-uusapan natin, we already at episode 3 is kung paano at saan kukuha ng life insurance. For our first two episodes, we already tackled yung number 1 is yung bakit kukuha, number 2 is kailan. Now, we already established the importance and the timing of getting your life insurance. Ngayon, paano naman, how and where to get one. So to start off this podcast, I'm going to share again my personal story of how I availed. So, nung 2018, my first insurance was with another provider. Hindi ko nababanggitin which one. But it was with another life insurance company and I talked to an agent. Basically, that's it. But meron pa bang ibang paraan sa pagkuha ng life insurance dito sa Pilipinas? So I'll mention four ways on how to get life insurance here in the Philippines. Number 1, as I mentioned, you get one through an advisor or life insurance agent with a life insurance company. So that means yung mga ahenteng pakalat-kalat sa Facebook, when you search online, sa TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, ang daming mga advisors or agents na nagpo-post ng kanilang content. Some probably a family friend, family member, who knows, baka meron ka kapamilya dyan na advisor. Doon, pwede kang kumuha ng life insurance through an agent or consultant. So, ang allowed lang na makabenta or you could purchase from na life insurance is yung mga kumuha ng insurance commission exam. Since kami, as insurance agents or consultants, we are also regulated by the government. Kumuha kami ng exam. There are two types. The first exam is yung OL or traditional type, and then the next one is yung VUL or the insurance that comes with unit-linked investments. So dalawang klaseng lisensya yon, So whichever product or a life insurance plan yung bibilihin ninyo, make sure that your agent is licensed to sell. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng makapagbenta or makapag-offer ang isang advisor without any of those two licenses. So that's the first route, an agent under a life insurance company, and the second one is through a bank assurance, meaning yung nasa bangko. If you've ever heard about BPI, AIA, yun. That's also one option for you to get a life insurance. Ngayon, ano yung pinagkaiba ni AIA Philippines sa BPI, AIA? And we are under the same company, AIA Group here in the Philippines, but kami, I belong from AIA Philippines. And I am part of the agencies, meaning yung aming nature is negosyo. Si Bank Assurance kasi, ang nature nila is employment. They are tagged or they are affiliated with a bank. In our case, a BPI AIA, which is our bank assurance. And the other life insurance companies as well na may agencies, may kakabit yan na bank assurance na nila partner. So sa amin, I am with the AIA Philippines, and yung bank partner namin or bank assurance is BPI AIA. So virtually the same, more or less 90 to 95% of the products offered by BPI nandito rin sa amin, but it's more of a matter of how long the agent or consultant will stay with the company kasi sa kanilang employment. So ang tendency, there's a higher turnover. Kasi some bank assurance sales agents or BSAs would look for another company or job, whereas sa amin, so ito yung negosyo namin, so we will, ang tendency naman sa amin, so we will build the business, and magiging iba yung magiging track namin, versus if you get it with BPI AAA. Of course, mga laking bagay kasi, yung agent na pipiliin ninyo, kung sino yung, kanino kayo kukuha. Diba? So we already addressed yung bakit, kailan. Now we're addressing paano at saan. So of course, importante rin yung kung sino. Diba? So wag na kayong lumayo, as I mentioned, wag na kayong lumayo. I could be your life insurance consultant, but if you know someone na in the business already or in the life insurance as a professional, na sales professional, you could also talk to them na pwedeng. So again, from the life insurance agencies or life insurance companies through the agents, the bank assurance or sa bank, you could also get life insurance from online or our digital platforms. No, I won't mention any other brand. No, hindi pa ako bayad. I'm not affiliated with them. But we can have through mga ano natin, no, mga digital wallets, meron diyan no, insurance na micro insurance. No, how is it different? No, since syempre it's if you bought it online, so every transaction has to be online din. No? Unlike sa ano, if you bought it from an agent, pwedeng face-to-face, pwedeng virtual, no? But there is someone no, assisting you sa life insurance agencies and bank assurance versus if you bought it online. So, customer service representative ang sasalo ng iyong inquiries after sale services, no? Because it was purchased or availed online. Ngayon, no, that's the third one. Ano ba yung isa? You could also get life insurance from your employer or company. Yan ang tinatawag natin na group life insurance. Ngayon, no, probably ngayon nakikinig ka if you're employed, most likely no, the odds are, sabihin natin 70 to 80% of the time, your company provides you insurance benefits. So pwede rin 'yon, no? But sometimes yung mga employers no, and businesses only offer this group life benefits no sa mga regular full-time no na employees. So if you're currently listening as an employer no or a businessman, pwede mong kuhanan ng iyong employees ng group life, no? Mababa lang siya, no, yung kanyang coverage versus if you availed individual life insurance. So that's why no I recommend if you have both group life insurance and individual, much better. So normally group life insurance isn't enough no under your employer. So normally mataas na yung 500,000. No, normally range lang siya 100,000, 200, 300. If you're lucky, you'll get a 1 million pesos worth of life insurance from your employer or company, but that's not always the case. But ang difference niya kasi no if you avail one, hindi siya nakatahi or nakatag doon sa employer mo. So for example, if you're saying na ay meron na ako diyon ng group life insurance under my employer, okay na ako. O wala namang kaso doon. However, if you leave the company kasi, no, the insurance benefits will also terminate. Wala ka ng life insurance. Versus if you avail it upon yourself, ikaw yung kumuha no with an agent or a bank assurance agent, hindi siya nakatag sa employer mo. So even if you resign, you still have a life insurance. So yun basically no yung ways for you to get insured. You get one from a life insurance agent no under a life insurance company. Bank assurance also a life insurance company but different platform no. An employee, bank assurance sales agent. Number 3 is through online no ating mga apps dyan na pwede kayong bumili. Marami tayong possible options din dyan. But normally, maliit lang din siya. No? And lastly is yung group life insurance, which is actually hindi mo siya binili. It's the company who paid for it no as part of your employee benefits. So medyo magkaiba lang yung nature. No? But basically, you can still get insurance benefits from them. Ngayon, nasagot na natin yung saan. No? Saan tayo kukuha ng life insurance. Ngayon, let's address naman kung paano no, kumuha ng life insurance. So if you're someone na nakausap na no ng ahente or consultant, they would normally ask kasi different questions. Now we call it KYC. Now sa amin na sa mga ahente, we do proper KYC or knowing your customer before providing any insurance proposal, recommendation or solution bago kami mag-alok. No? So if you talk already with someone, ahente, tapos may biglang proposal na kaagad without even asking the right questions if fit ba sa'yo yung plan, pasok ba sa budget, aligns ba sa needs mo, sa goals mo, no? Then I would prefer you look for someone else na magbibigay sa iyo na magko-conduct ng proper KYC or knowing your customer. Kasi that's how we know no ito pala priority ni Juan de la Cruz, ito yung priority niya, ito yung gusto niya mangyari, no? And doon pa lang kami magbibigay ng recommendation. So others call it also other than KYC is yung FNA, Financial Needs Assessment. So normally we ask there about how stable your income is or your personal finance is. May investments ka na ba? May savings ka na ba? Emergency fund? Any form of insurance? No? And ano rin yung mga goals mo sa buhay? And ano yung current status mo sa buhay? No? So all of that will matter kasi in providing no, the life insurance recommendation for you. Kagaya lang din ng doktor, di ba? As I mentioned in my previous podcast, para lang kaming doktor. No, hindi biogesic ang sagot sa lahat ng sakit. Okay? So merong, for example, a patient consults with a doctor, 'di ba? So pupunta si patient, doc, ito yung problema ko. So merong gamot. The same with us. No, if a client or prospect reaches out to us or nagkaroon ng conversation, we normally ask, ano yung kailangan mo, ano yung problema mo, no, and we have a solution for that. So normally magkakaiba 'yan, no? Magkaibang mga problems, needs, goals, and estado, no, yung mga iba't ibang mga Pilipino. So ang tendency is magkakaiba rin yung mga solution na binibigay namin. So assuming okay na 'yon, no, na establish na natin kung ano yung recommendation namin and nagustuhan mo yung recommendation namin. So what will happen is that you can apply, no, for the life insurance only with just an ID. No, the ID has to be a government issued or valid government ID. So mayroon tayong listahan diyan, mahabang listahan. So you can just ask your advisor, no, or consultant or ahente na about it kung pwede yun isubmit to as part of the application. Ngayon, talking about applications, is life insurance is an application. You could end up, the application could end up in many ways. Number one, it could be approved, meaning, okay, tinatanggap ni insurance company yung iyong application. Second, it could be approved pero may special terms, no, or conditions. Pwede rin yun. It could be postponed, no, meaning, wag muna ngayon kasi may something to do with the health, no, or baka overweight pa, because I've had cases like that, no, and it's on a case-to-case basis, no, and the only way to find out is if you apply for life insurance plan. And lastly, it could be denied, diba? Like any other application sa trabaho man yan, no, pwede kasing ma-deny, diba? Sa visa, no, pwede kasing hindi tanggapin, no, if the company sees na hindi ka fit for a life insurance plan, hindi tatanggapin talaga yung life insurance application. That's why sinabi ko sa previous episodes ko na podcast, as long as you're insurable, no, meaning pwede ka pa naming i-cover for the life insurance, kumuha ka na. Because maybe, no, in the future, if you delay it, it might be too late for you already. After the requirements, the ID, then of course you will fill out a questionnaire. Sa amin sa AIA, no, we already do it digitally. So wala na kaming pen and paper, no need to print anything, no, everything is done online. So fill out the application form, then you will also sign, no, if it's done face to face, you will sign sa iPad, sa phone or sa laptop, or if remote naman, no, kasi the Insurance Commission already allowed for Filipinos, no, to avail insurance online for as long as both the agent and the client or the applicant sa life insurance is within the Philippines. So kahit ikaw ay OFW, nakikinig ka ngayon, OFW ka, nasa ibang bansa ka, you can only apply if you're in the Philippines. So even if nasa aeroplano ka, basta nasa Philippine soil or nasa Pilipinas. Okay? So after the application, no, signature, and then the payment. Once you pay, ang payment naman natin, we accept at least sa AIA, no, we accept credit card, debit, online payments, no, bills payment, yan, tinatanggap namin yan. We accept those types of payments. And that's the only time, no, na i-evaluate namin yung iyong application if the payment is already completed. So ang tawag namin dyan, no, sa insurance is underwriting. No, we assess your medical, your health, your occupational risks, no, your sa age mo, sa medical, I think I mentioned that already. But the idea is that we assess or evaluate yung iyong application if amenable ba sa amin na ikaw currently healthy naman, or let's just say may history ka ng ganitong surgery, tatanggapin ba namin yan? No, it all depends on each person's application. So the decision will also depend, no, kung ano yung nilalaman ng application form ng mga nag-a-apply for the life insurance. So after that, no, after the underwriting or assessment, magbibigay ng decision. So decision could be approved din nga, no? It could be approved on special terms, postponed, declined. No, yun ang normally ano natin, no, ang decisions no sa underwriting or pag-assess ng life insurance. So just be prepared no for whatever the decision is kasi nga hindi lahat no ina-approve ng life insurance company. And after na no na magkaroon ng decision, so assume natin best case scenario na approve. No, edi congratulations, you're already insured. Meron lang tayong certain no conditions for claims. So for example, meron tayong waiting period for critical illness claims, meaning hindi ka sa amin sa AIA hindi ka pwedeng makapag-claim ng critical illness no within 90 days no upon the effectivity date of your life insurance. So when I speak about effectivity date, that's the day na magiging effective na or you're already covered or insured with your life insurance policy. So kung approved na for example, no, na-approve ng January 1, if the January 1 falls on a weekday, so most likely that's also your effective date. But kung kailan yung next business day, yun yung maging effective date ng iyong policy and you're already insured by then for whatever happens to you no sa ating risks na tinatawag. So kung ano man kinuha mong plan, dun ka lang ma-cover. I hope that's clear no kung paano at saan kukuha ng life insurance no sa ating mga kababayan diyan na nakikinig. So ngayon pag-usapan naman natin na very quickly yung mga companies na pwede niyong pagkuhanan. So as I mentioned, if hindi na kayo lalayo no, I'm with AIA Philippines as a life insurance consultant, formerly Philam Life. Baka mas familiar kayo sa Philam Life na company. We've been number 1 in the past no. We're slowly getting up there as a agency no and the one AIA company kasi nga partner namin si BPI AIA, but ayan no, you can get a life insurance from me and you can check no if the rankings mean to you kasi sa rankings ang daming ano niyan maraming iba't ibang metrics no. So we have assets, net worth, new business. Yun, you can check out Insurance Commission's website for the full report. Pero generally ang rule ko dyan no, basta within the top 10 for any of the metric, but sure yan, no? At least I have that confidence to say na whether it's a yellow company, the green, the blue, the other red company, no, ako, believer ako kasi na mas importante ang ahente or agent or consultant na kausap ninyo. Kasi yun na magiging partner nyo in the future in case kailangan nyo na talaga ng tulong for insurance claims. That being said, I will drop my email address sa ating description no, for you to set an appointment with me and probably no ako na pala yung hinahanap mo na life insurance consultant and let's be partners no in terms of your life insurance na needs and requirements. That's it for episode 3 of Adulting 101 Life Insurance for Filipinos Explained. See you next episode.